For generations now, humans have always adapted to the machines we build. We had to learn the ways of the machines, their controls, their commands, their code. And even with AI, building a real product still means connecting models, video streams, pipelines, application code, and hardware, understanding everything, the nuts and bolts of it. Hi, I am Abhilash Chadhar, and this is Voyager Wingman. Today, I'm going to show you that someone who doesn't know AI, who isn't an AI engineer, can turn a real business problem into a working application just using one prompt. And stay with me, because after that, I'll show you how an existing NVIDIA or Halo project can be bought into an Axelera hardware with just one click. It's really going to be interesting. Everything begins with Wingman Chat. You go to this website, a beautiful looking interface, you click and you start chatting with it. And the chat supports multiple AI models, multiple specialized agents. You can bring your own key, or you can use Axelera as provider and you get some generous tokens to use for a month. So you can choose the right intelligence and expertise and what you're trying to accomplish. You can ask questions about Voyager SDK, explore whether an idea is feasible, upload a screenshot and turn that into a clear implementation plan. So once the plan is ready and you really want to implement it, you can go into this beast, the Voyager Wingman app. This is where the conversation actually becomes implementation. You can just give that one prompt and you can just sit and watch it do the work, let it cook. And behind the interface, a parallel swarm of agents, specialized agents will work across the problem. It will do the research, planning, building the pipeline, writing the application, preparing everything for the hardware. When the Metis hardware is available, Voyager Wingman can compile the run, validate the result, and then show you the output. And you can see what you want. You can even refine it if you want. So a friend of mine, he owns a gym with like 15 camera streams. He's not an AI engineer. He doesn't know which model to use, what is the vision pipeline. He doesn't know anything, how to optimize the application or an AI accelerator. But he understands his business problem. He wanted to help the members who had opted into the personal training by counting the repetitions, analyzing their movement, and giving feedback whether their form needs an improvement or not. So he simply described the requirement into the Voyager Wingman app. From the prompt, the agent swarms created a post-analysis pipeline, and the result on the dashboard just shows the pose estimation, the repetition count, form feedback, and everything. We can benchmark the implementation and determine how many simultaneous streams the selected configuration can support. And that is the important part. My friend didn't become an AI engineer suddenly. Voyager Wingman brought the engineering expertise to his idea. If he can begin with a business problem, turn into a working application, so can you. Now the story began with an idea, but many times you don't have an idea. You're not starting from scratch. You may have already something that is implemented on a different hardware. Let's say it's NVIDIA or Halo or any other computer vision platform. Remember that one-click experience that I promised you? And that's it. You go to the Wingman app, you click on Port to Axelera. Voyager Wingman takes over, completes the implementation, creates the Voyager pipeline, adapting the application logic, compiling it, running it, and validating it on the Axelera hardware. Isn't this amazing? What started as a project for another platform is now running on Voyager implementation on Axelera hardware, and the result is available on the dashboard, ready for you to inspect and refine. Of course, building the application is not the only part of the journey. Eventually it will fail. A pipeline may stop working. The SDK may be misconfigured, or the hardware may not be detected. In such cases, instead of spending hours searching through documentations and logs, you describe the problem to Voyager Wingman. Wingman inspects the environment, diagnoses the issue, and guides the system back into a running state. This is really amazing. And once the status turns green, you are exactly where you need to be, back building your own product. This is the complete Voyager Wingman journey. You begin with the question on the chat, turn that plan into implementation with some parallel swarm of agents, run it on Axelera hardware, bring an existing project across with just one click, and then, if something breaks, debug it in the same environment. You bring the idea, Voyager Wingman brings the models, the agents, the Voyager knowledge, and development tools to make it real. Voyager Wingman, from idea to product on Axelera hardware.